Alright guys, so we have left the deep conditioner in her hair for 4+ hours, and at this point we are just gonna go ahead and rinse it all out. The device that I'm using to wash her hair is called a shampoo buddy. It makes washing my daughter's hairs so much easier. There's less tears and the process goes so quicker. So take a look at that if you're interested. It's called the Shampoo Buddy. But anyway, so we're rinsing out her hair. I use warm water to do this. I started at her ends of her hair and now I am working at her scalp. Alright, well, once you get most of the deep conditioner out of her hair, then we are going to use the black soap. And you don't need a lot of this, and it does not set up again. You're going to start at her roots. It is very watery when you do use it. So as you can tell, I'm just kind of using my one hand and then kind of spreading it in with the other. And that's just so that I don't waste it anywhere. But you want to rub it in mainly at the roots of her hair. And then once you get it good into her roots, then you're going to go ahead and use some towards the end of her twist. Keep in mind, you do not want to wash her hair more than twice using this product, and that was just a recommendation from the owner of the company. So just only use it twice, and then after you do that, you're just gonna rinse it out. Next up, we are going to use the leave-in conditioner and detangler. I have this in a spray bottle. As I said before, this product is very watery, so having it in a spray bottle makes it easier to apply it to the hair. And you just want to apply enough so that the hair is slightly more damp. So just go ahead and spray it to every inch, every corner, every ends of the hair, apply it to the root. Once we are done using the leave-in conditioner, then we are going to then get her hair ready to be re-twisted. So in this clip, I wanted to show you how to use the clarifying shampoo. I use a old foaming hand soap pump in order to get the clarifying shampoo out so I can put it onto my scalp. As I said before, this product is very watery. In the video, as you can see, I am just applying it to the top of my scalp, getting it deep in there. This shampoo is great if you just want a deeper clean. I use it maybe every 2 to 3 weeks just to get that nice deeper clean. After you apply this, you rinse it out and then you apply the black soap afterward.